up fast, dusting fields when the market crashed. He lost his arm in 35, did what he could to stay alive. Dangerous Dan, the moonshine man, running after money any way he can. Times are hard, gotta understand, just looking for a place to land. High in the sky, in his tiger moth, picking up shine and dropping it off. He never got tired and he never got caught. At least that's what he always thought. Dangerous Dan, the moonshine man, running after money any way he can. Times are hard, gotta understand, just looking for a place to land. Running from the law, running from the Lord, like suicide doors on a hot rod Ford. He couldn't give up, but he couldn't stay hid. The law didn't catch him, but the good Lord did. Dangerous Dan, the preacher man, running down the devil any way he can. Settling down wasn't in his plan, finally found a place to land. Any way he can. Settling down wasn't in his plan, finally found a place to land. Dangerous Dan, the preacher man, running down the devil any way he can. Settling down wasn't in his plan, finally found a place to land.